Hello everyone, let's see sign convention and some basic definitions. There are two types of mirror, plane mirror and spherical mirror. Here is a concave mirror. P is the pole of mirror or it is the midpoint of mirror. C is the center of curvature जिससे ये मिरर बना है उस स्फीयर का सेंटर. So it is center of curvature and denoted by C. Now the line joining this center and pole is said to be principal axis. And the distance between center and pole is said to be radius of the curvature R. F is the focus point where all reflected rays meet. That point is said to be focus, and the distance between focus and pole is said to be focal length, which is denoted by small f. All the distances on the left side of pole are considered as positive, while all the distances on the right side of pole are considered as negative. All the height above the principal axis are considered as positive and the height below the principal axis are considered as negative. So these are the basic sign convention. Some basic rules for incident rays for concave mirror are, सबसे पहला है when the rays are incident parallel to principal axis, after reflection will pass through the focus point. Now the rays which are incident through the center of curvature, after reflection pass through the same path. And third one, the rays which are passing through the focus point after reflection will become parallel to principal axis. Similarly for convex mirror, जो रेज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल इंसिडेंट हो रहे हैं वो फोकस पॉइंट को यूज करके रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे, एंड द रेज विच आर passing using the focus will become parallel after reflection. Similarly जो रेज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर को यूज करके इंसिडेंट हो रहे हैं वो इसी पाथ को फॉलो करके रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.